Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you on how you can hold your crypto in Binance. So the first step is to create Binance account if you still don't have one. So just visit the Binance.com and click register. So from there, you just have to enter your email address and create a strong password. And you also have to complete the email verification by entering the code sent to your inbox. So you can also sign up using your phone number and make sure that you use a secure password with uppercase, lowercase, numbers, and symbols. Second step is to verify your identity. So just click on your profile icon and select identification and just choose your country document type, like for example, passport, ID card, or driver's license. So just upload clear photos of your documents and a selfie. So this is a basic verification and it allows you to deposits and withdrawals up to certain limits. So advanced verification removes most limits and enables full platform access. Next is to deposit funds. So just navigate to wallet, then fiat and spot. From there, just click deposit and choose your preferred method. So it can be bank transfer, debit or credit card, or P2P trading. So for crypto deposits, just select the cryptocurrency and network, then copy your deposit address and make sure to always double check the network matches before sending crypto to avoid losing funds. Next is to buy cryptocurrency. So to do that, just go to trade and select spot trading. Choose a trading pair, like for example, BTC or USDT. So you can use market order for instant purchase at current price or limit order to set your desired price. So just enter the amount that you want to buy and click buy and then your crypto will appear in your spot wallet once the order is filled. Lastly is to secure your holdings. So protect your account by enabling two-factor authentication, that is 2FA, using Google Authenticator or SMS. So just set up anti-phishing code to identify genuine Binance email. And then consider using Binance Vault or savings products to earn interest on holdings. For long-term storage, you can also withdraw to a personal hardware wallet for maximum security. So that's pretty much it. That's how you hold crypto and Binance. I hope you find this video helpful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!